Hi friends!
Thanks for tuning in. If you like this video, please give it a like, comment below, and take a moment to subscribe to our channel.
Fort Pickens Road winds through the beautiful Gulf Islands National Seashore. This protected area stretches along the Gulf of Mexico in Florida and Mississippi, covering both mainland regions and parts of 7 barrier islands. Established in 1971, the seashore preserves natural landscapes and historic sites. The seashore is known for its white quartz sand beaches, historic forts, and diverse wildlife. The barrier islands are dynamic, constantly changing due to natural processes like wind and waves. Fort Pickens, located on Santa Rosa Island, is the largest of 4 forts built to defend Pensacola Bay. Constructed between 1829 and 1834, it was designed to protect the bay and its navy yard from foreign attacks.
Thank you very much.
Today, visitors can explore the well-preserved fort and learn about its history. Driving through this area offers a glimpse into the rich history and natural beauty of the Gulf Coast. The seashore provides opportunities for swimming, fishing, hiking, and wildlife observation, making it a cherished destination for nature lovers and history enthusiasts alike.
Thanks for watching!